Hello everybody, good morning. This is Jyoti Dogra and I welcome you all to this new video on palmistry. And in today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic which was requested to me by many of the people. And today I thought I should be doing one video on this. And this palm, it belongs to one of my client. So I always take the reference of the real time pics. I always take pictures of people's palm and then I used to analyze it, because you can understand that how well these work for you. Because there are some people who have been telling me palmistry is shit and this does not work and blah 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 blah. And to those scientists and big people, I would like to tell you that palmistry definitely works, and palmistry can guide you for a better future and can guide you to plan things in a better way. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna do it. If you don't believe, don't spread negativity here. I'm doing this for people who believe in it, and I'm doing this for helping people. So आप अपनी negativity अपने तक ही रखें. By you people telling me to close this channel, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. So अपनी जो important advice है उसको अपने तक रखें. मुझे उसमें कोई interest नहीं है. So yeah, let's just not waste time and let's begin with the analysis of this palm. So this palm belongs to one of my client, and I will tell you some of the indications that I've seen in this palm. So at first, you can see the marriage line here. It's in a very bad shape. Okay, so yeah, here it's a marriage. At first, let me tell you what happened exactly. So this is her heart line, and you can see that the heart line, it goes to Jupiter Mount. Okay, and then this is the fate line, and there are influential lines which are coming, and then there are lines like this. So and there's a cross on the Jupiter. So there's all the indications of love marriage which are present on her palm. And yes, she had a love marriage. So this was it. Yeah. So that's the first indication. Now what happened is, you can see the marriage line here. I'm just gonna highlight this for you. You can see an overlapping marriage line. So here, this is a marriage line, and then again a marriage line comes in, and there's an overlap between the two marriage lines, and the line goes like this. Yep. I'm just gonna do it again for you. So yeah, this is the marriage line, and then again a line comes here, and there are two lines that are overlapping. So this indicates an extramarital affair in marriage, and because of that your marriage is disturbed. So that is one indication. So this client's marriage, her partner was cheating on her, and he had an extramarital affair, and then because of that she got separated with him. So yeah, you can see this. So this indication is there in her palm. I was analyzing her palm, and then I told her, and she was like, yeah, that happened. So, and then this is your lifeline, and you have a lot of offshoots from your lifeline. And if you have a line coming from your marriage from here, this is your marriage line, and if there is some line and it cuts your offshoot, so this indicates separation by legal proceedings. So the separation happens after a legal court case, and then you get legally separated. So that is one thing. But if there is no line coming from the marriage line, if it comes directly from here and it cuts the offshoots, so as you can see in this picture, see the offshoot is being, so this is the offshoot and it's being cut. So yeah, that indicates separation. Yep. So that is a separation after marriage. So this is not a very good indication. If you have that, be very cautious and take care regarding that. Yep. So that is one indication regarding the divorce and separation. I always also want to tell you some other facts that indicates the hindrance in marriage. So if you have a mole on your Jupiter, so that also indicates that if you have a mole, a black mole, just gonna see if we have black color here. We don't have black color here. So yeah, if you have a mole on your Jupiter, so that indicates late marriage and hindrance in marriage. If you have a mole on the Venus, that also indicates problems with your family, and sometimes you are separated from your family. So that is not a very good indication. Not having a mole on your Jupiter or a mole on Venus, it's not a good indication. And if a female is having a dual headline, then even that is not that is good for her, that she can be a very successful woman and she can do a lot good in her career. But such a woman faces problems in marriage, and the marriage is late. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. If you have any doubt, get on touch with me on my Facebook page. So I'm just gonna show me my Facebook page to you people. So my Facebook page is facebook.com/amjyoti dogra. I'm gonna show my Facebook page to you. Yeah, so that's my Facebook page. You can get in touch if you have any doubt, and I'll be more than happy to clear that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And then this is my Instagram account. So if you want the if you want me to answer your questions for free, one question for free on the Ask Jyoti session, then what you have to do is you have to send me your palm pic along with the question with hashtag Ask Jyoti, and you have to wait, for me to answer that question in my videos of Ask Jyoti. So you have to come to my Instagram account, you have to follow me on my Instagram account, and then you have to message me your palm pic along with one question with hashtag Ask Jyoti, and then I will be answering that in my upcoming videos. Yep, and if you want paid consultations, full consultations, then you have to get in touch on my Facebook page. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, lots of love.